Hi everyone, it is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. I'm looking at the global tech reports for April 29th, 2026, and it's official. The era of manual coding is dead. Oh, I'm serious. The 2026 reset is here. First, Nvidia just took AI into orbit. They launched the Space One Vera Rubin module, literally moving data centers into space. Why? Because the thermal conditions in orbit are a massive catalyst for AI training. We aren't just coding for Earth anymore, we're coding for the stars. But here's the real shift: intent-driven development. We've moved from writing syntax to AI orchestration. Instead of typing every line of C-sharp, 90% of engineers are now using AI agents to build entire systems from a single vibe or prompt. If you aren't orchestrating, you're falling behind. Does this mean we're obsolete? No way. AI code currently has 3 times more bugs than human code. Your value in 2026 isn't your typing speed, it's your judgment. You are the architect. The AI is just the builder. So, are you ready to become a system architect, or are you sticking to manual scripting? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Hit subscribe to stay synced. I'll see you in the next one.